Andy, did you feel you deserved the win this evening?
I think so. I think yes, it was a tight game, but if we judge it on chances, I think we've had 4 or 5 more on them, and we've stuck 2 of them away, kept a clean sheet. That's our 3rd clean sheet in 4 games, which has really given us that platform now to be in the run of form that we're in.
Dim byd lot yn y gêm o gwbl os mae'n rhywun dod i wylio'r gêm heddi. Nip and tuck, Jasper yn cael cyfle da iawn hand y gynta, a mae golwr yn neud arbed eitha da. A wedyn ail hanner, ni wedi gweud i jyst mynd gyda redwyr, achos nid y bel yn yr awyr sydd yn beryglus ond y redwyr off. A ni'n ildio gol really sal i'n hunan, ac mae'n anodd wedyn. A oedd y gêm yn stretcho, oedd yn edrych fel bod nhw'n mynd i sgorio trydydd falle, ond ddim lot fawr yn y gêm, a yr ymdrech a phob dim arall, ni wedi colli pwyntiau eto heno.
A game of half chances it was, but luckily a couple snuck through and managed to get a couple of goals.
Yeah, the half chances certainly fell your way.
Yeah, they did indeed. With the first one, he come off. The first one was Ricky, was it? Come off and managed to sneak one in, and then the second one, Ollie, done well out wide, and I managed to stick my head on the rebound. Put your head in where it hurts.
Credit to the boys, they've been fantastic over this last 6, 7, 8 weeks, and long it may continue.
What's the feeling like in the dressing room at the moment? It's only 1 defeat in 9 games.
Yeah, well, the gaffer just said now with the momentum, we've won 3 or 4 on the bounce, but he just said now 3 clean sheets, and that's massive from both ends of the pitch.
People will look at that table now and think you've got a real shot at finishing 7th and getting those European playoff spots.
Listen, we've got 4 tough games, and everything is going to be really, really tight. All we can do is keep trying to do our best, win games of football, and see how far that takes us.
11 gêm heb ennill. Ydy'r math yna rediad yn rhywbeth ydych chi'n trio gosod i un ochr a peidio meddwl amdano, neu ydych chi'n defnyddio fel rhywbeth i drio roi hwb i'r chwaraewyr newid hynny? Wel,
fi'n credu bod e'n, fi bynnag chi'n meddwl, a mae wastad yna, a mae'n anodd, a dyna beth fi wedi gweud wrth boes. Dim gwasgedd yw trio talu mortgage neu edrych ar ôl rhywun. Dyna gwasgedd. Mae hwn yn bleser i wario gyda ffrindiau, ond mae ond yn bleser pan chi'n neud y pethau cywir a chi'n mwynhau a pan chi'n colli a ddim yn cael pwyntiau, dwi ddim yn bleser, ac dyna beth fi'n ofni heno yw bod boys weithiau just bach rhy soft, ac fi ddim yn cwestiwn i nhw na dim byd ffordd na, ond fi just moyn iddyn nhw i ddeall does dim gwasgedd gennau, fi moyn nhw i fynd i mwynhau wario gyda'i boys, so symudion ni ymlaen nawr un os Wener a trio pigol am pwyntiau Llanelli ffordd sy'n mynd i fod yn gêm galed eto.
Does it feel now that you've left the relegation worries behind that you can actually look towards that 7th spot potentially?
It's not mathematically there yet, but it's nice to have that gap with 4 games to go. And then we just take it game by game. The momentum just carries on.